Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to optimize LinkedIn profile and receive much more call from recruiter and hiring manager. What is the process and how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how many key points you can use and optimize your LinkedIn profile so you can receive much more call from recruiter or hiring manager. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in laptop screen. So let's start demonstration. What is optimization? Optimization, it means if someone are visit on your LinkedIn profile, so your LinkedIn profile is up to date, be professional and very convenience way someone can very easily access. So look at this, my URL is coming here, linkedin.com/in and then my name. So how you do this URL, you can very easily simple. Look at this here, public profile and URL. You just simply click here and afterwards your URL is another type, so you can add here your first name, middle name, last name and then optimize your URL. So after doing this process, you just simply save it. This is your URL. So next time you can share directly on your URL like this and type here Sangram Singh. So it's very easy to open your LinkedIn account. Third person means hiring manager or recruiter. Profile language, always be select as an English language because this is a global language, and afterwards you can decide another language also you can fix here, but as a my point of view you need to add here just only in English language. So here the full name of yours, if someone are not pronounce your name, so you can add your voice also here like this, so someone can very easily recognize your name pronunciation. Next point, come here, you always, if you are work somewhere else in any XYZ company, so with this email address you can verify. So as I verify my email address here, if you want verify, you just simply click here in the pencil menu and you can very easily verify. And next, you can add here contact information, personal website. How to add, just simply click here in the pencil menu, scroll down here, position, current position, education, background, and here edit and contact info like your LinkedIn URL, your email address, phone number, and your website, personal and medium blog website also I added here. Afterwards you can very easily save and then afterward those messages automatically display here. Next, optimization. For the about section, you always explain your at least expertise, how many expertise you have, what is your background, how many year your experience. Accordingly you put it here. One paragraph you introduce your education, then responsibility, then how many algorithm or technique or any specific criteria, that criteria you have strong knowledge, so accordingly you should always put it here. Then programming language, framework, database, toolkits, award and achievement, volunteer work, so accordingly you should put it here and optimize your LinkedIn account. You can refer my LinkedIn account also for this optimization your account. Afterwards you need to always add experience as an experience like a company's name XYZ, and you should add one paragraph related information of this project. Sometimes after 6 months you have no idea about this project related information, but you can just simply visit on your LinkedIn account and read this paragraph and you automatically gather this information and explain during the interview time also. I already added here all information step by step, all my experience, inside the experience how many skills I have, I also put it there. After putting the experience, you need to add here education, last education to first education you need to add here. So last come first out option is going on here. So I done my postdoc, then PhD, then masters, then MPhil. I put it here sequentially, all information, very impressive way. If I apply XYZ company, so definitely the company are recognize my profile, my expertise, my education, and they are arrange the interview with me. So that is a beauty of optimization. If you are optimize your LinkedIn profile like this and afterward you share your LinkedIn profile or apply, definitely recruiter and hiring manager visit on your LinkedIn profile and arrange the interview call. So this is a simple process to optimize LinkedIn account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.